Barabanki district is one of the 5 districts of Faizabad division in the central Awadh region of Uttar Pradesh, India. Barabanki city is the administrative headquarters of Barabanki district. Total area of Barabanki district is 3891.5 sq km. It has a population of 2,673,581. With a population density of 686.50 per square kilometer. Barabanki district is situated between 27 degrees 19 and 26 degrees 30 north latitude and 80 degrees 05 and 81 degrees 51 east longitude. It runs in a southeasterly direction, confined by the nearly parallel streams of the Ghaghra and Gomti. The extreme length of the district from east to west may be taken at 92 kilometers. It borders 7 other districts of Uttar Pradesh. With its most northern point, it shares borders with the Sitapur district, while its northeastern boundary is defined by the Ghaghra, beyond which lie the districts of Bahraich district and Gonda district. Its eastern border is shared with Faizabad district, and the Gomti forms a natural boundary to the south, dividing it from the Amethi district. On the west, it adjoins the Lucknow district. In 1856, the district came, with the rest of Awadh state, under British rule. During the Indian Rebellion of 1857, the whole of the Barabanki talukdars joined the mutineers, but offered no serious resistance following the capture of Lucknow. Barabanki district stretches out in a level plain interspersed with numerous lakes and marshes. In the upper part of the district the soil is sandy, while in the lower part it is clay and produces finer crops. The district is fed by the rivers Ghaghra, Gomti, Kalyani and Rate and their tributaries for the major part of the year. Some rivers dry out in the summer and become flooded during the rainy season. The changing course of the river Ghaghra alters the land area of the district. The principal crops are rice, wheat, pulse and other food grains and sugarcane. Both of the bordering rivers of Barabanki are navigable. The district is traversed by 2 lines of the Northern Railway and Northeastern Railway, with branches having total length of 131 kilometers. The district roadways include connections to National Highway 28, state highways and various link roads. The area was once known as Jasnal, from Jas, a Raja of the Bhar tribe, who is said to have founded it before 1000 AD. Following the Muslim conquest, the lands were divided into 12, with the new owners quarreling so incessantly that they were called the Barah Banke, or 12 quarrelsome men. Banker, in Awadhi, meaning a bully or brave. Others derive the name from Ban, meaning wood or jungle, and interpret Barabanki as the 12 shares of jungle. The current Barabanki district was first established by the British upon their annexation of Awadh state in 1856. Originally, the district was known as Daryabad district because its headquarters were at Daryabad. But in 1859 they were relocated to Barabanki. The name, Barabanki, was chosen for the district's official name over Nawabganj, then the more common name of the town, for 2 reasons. First, to avoid any possible confusion with other places called Nawabganj, and second, because the civil station was technically located outside of Nawabganj in the small revenue village of Barabanki. Previously, under the Nawabs of Awadh, the area that would become Barabanki district was divided between 5 chaklas: Daryabad Rudoli, Ramnagar, Deva Jahangirabad, Jagdishpur, and Hattergad. Barabanki district is mostly within what was the Pachimrat division of the Kingdom of Rama. Parijat tree is a protected baobab tree in the village of Kinto, and is considered sacred to Hindus. Located near the Kunteshwar Mahadeva temple, the tree is said to grow from Kunti's ashes. The tree is very old, though its age has not been scientifically determined. Before 1000 AD, Jas, a Raja of the Bhar tribe, is said to have founded the locality of Jasnal, which later became Barabanki. Muslims made their first permanent settlement in what is now the district at Streak in 1030 AD. The Muslim conquest saw Sihali conquered and its sovereign killed. As with Kintur, Bhar Pasi chief Sohil Deo of Sahait Mahait and Rathore monarch Sri Chandradeo of Kannauj fought a Battle in Streak village of the district. In 1049 AD, they came from Bhatnayar or Bhattiana in the Punjab and Rajputana and settled at Mawai Maholara. From 1350 to about 1750 AD, Muslim immigrants settled in great number in the district. The Muslims first permanently settled in Oud. Rudoli was occupied c. 700 AH in the reign of Allah ud Din Khilji, whose forces had destroyed nearly every remaining seat of Chhatri power. Rasulpur was conquered about 1350 AD. Daryabad was founded about 1444 AD by Darab Khan Subadar and his brother Fateh Khan colonized Fatehpur. The villages of Baruli and Bare, near Rudoli, were occupied and became large estates until about the middle of the 15th century. Simultaneously, however, with this latter immigration of the Muslims, there was